Char. Hi guys! Do you know where am I? Sagrada Familia. Yes, the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, the largest unfinished Catholic church in Europe. Pero, ay nabot ko diri. So please come with me exploring Sagrada Familia. Pero, we're making a stop sa Paraguay. Wait, am I pronouncing that right? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So let's go! So here na tayo, biglakan mo pagawa sa station. However, medyo ko di kayo no nga masyungataw sa hay. So, mag-iwo ko sa pagawas. I'm not perfect. Do not judge me. Nagkapot lang na to, di ba? Like, di ba kita ka, gitap na ko, pero press ni hay. Di ba? Ang syunga lang. Now we're walking again. First challenge successfully completed. Ako may story lang dyan, no? This adventure is all about walking, so better be prepared. And sa pagkamaayo mo videos, there sa mga tiili yung makitan. Di ba? Maka-inspired. Pero nasa to realize, so I'm really sorry guys. Pero dili na siya rason para magbunong ta sa atong ganahan sa life. Practice helps us improve. Right? You know mga ka-listeners, sure. Napagtanto ko na the goal is not just the parkway and the Sagrada Familia, but the 10,000 steps. Very important yun na siya. Yay! Now we're out. Nakagawas na jud ta guys, and another lakaw na sad ni siya. Thankfully, the weather is great. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for exploring. Char. Kung si Jisoo pa from Blackpink, not bad but not good. Eme. Parang jud maad, no? May pa DJ. Yes. May intermission number tayo doon. Oh my God. Murag dili na kibagay na ako ni voiceover. Okay, let's stay on track. Galakaw gapon mi diri dapita while appreciating the great weather. If you ever want to visit Barcelona and want to know kaya nag-asir ako, I'm from Cambridge, DI, so if ever you want to know the budget, comment lang sa comment section. After crossing this pedestrian lane, another hill na naman ang lalakarin natin. You think malapit na? No. Are we tired? Yes. This is our holiday. Bakit pinapahirapan natin ang ating sarili? But, gusto natin ito. We shall rise for the goal. Go, go, go. After that hill challenge, we are now walking there. Kita nyo yan? Shortcut daw yan. Lalakarin natin yan for the 10,000 steps ito. Sorry kayo. Productive kami sa holiday namin. Yay! Malapit na tayo! I will tell you guys, I got some of the long walks we had, pero malayo talaga. But I will also tell you it's all worth it. May another stairs pa pala. Pero aakyat na natin yan because we're almost there. We are almost there. Let's keep walking. Ipakita natin sa kanila kung sino tayo. Remember our goals. The 10,000 steps, the parkway, and the Sagrada Familia. And we are here! Now, guys, now we are at the park. You can already feel it's truly one of a kind. Parkway, a space where nature and art come together in the most unexpected ways. Every corner is filled with creativity and imagination. Honestly, this video doesn't do it justice, but every moment of the adventure we just had makes it also worth it. Just like that, we are now here at the Sagrada Familia. It's absolutely beautiful. No matter how many photos you've seen, nothing really compares to seeing it in person. Construction of the Sagrada Familia began in 1882 and it's still being built today, making it the largest and finished Catholic church in the world. Originally designed by Tony Help.